Figured a little break in the rain, I'll update the bike check here. This is my 2018 Fuji Nevada. They have the 2019 models out now, but I bought this just before they, well, I bought it back in January, so that was like 3 months after the 2018s were out. So this is it from back. Upgrades include Maxxis Ardent tires. I have blue race face Chester grips. The Box 2 drivetrain, so that's the shifter there. It's similar to Shimano, like you can upshift by either doing that or that, and you can downshift by using the lever like that, and up to 4 downshifts per throw. I ended up changing out the lever to make it more convenient. That's a southpaw lever, even though it's a D&M dropper post, it still seems to work great. D&M dropper, I need to get some end caps though, and got those. That's the part of the drivetrain. Race face Chester cranks, race face Chester pedals, 32 tooth race face chain ring, and bash guard. So that's all set there. Box 2 46 tooth cassette, and a Box 2 11 speed rear derailleur, and that's the long cage that's rated for the 46 tooth. They make an extra long cage that's rated for the 50 tooth. So also existing rims were converted to tubeless. That's a Stan's rim strip, and it's using 21mm Stan's rim tape. So yeah, these pressed valves are not factory. Those are part of the Stan's rim strips for converting it to tubeless. So got the back of the bike, and this Box 2 silver chain as well. And that sums up all the upgrades. Everything else on the bike is stock. Got the stock M315 brakes. Those still work great. I haven't even bled them yet. They haven't needed it. So that's the rotors. I think it's 180 in the front and 160 or 120 in the rear. Can't remember the exact details on those, but it's like, yeah, everything else on the bike is stock except for the drivetrain, the pedals, the grips, the tires, and the fact that they're tubeless now. I actually use the factory rims. I just got the cross country 29er Stan's kit. I'll link to it in the description if somebody has the same bike and wants to do the same upgrades to it. But I found the tape that comes with the Stan's kit didn't work. It wasn't quite wide enough to cover the spokes. The 21mm tape works better. So yeah, that's my bike in its current shape, end of the year, or end of the season 2018. I'm thinking of continuing my mountain biking journeys into the winter by ordering a growler fat bike, but stay tuned for that.